And now you should see your WordPress dashboard, and you're going to become very familiar with this as we go through making our WordPress website, because this is where we're going to go to create all of our pages and posts and upload all of our media content. So don't worry if it looks overwhelming right now. By the end of this video, you're going to be an expert with the WordPress dashboard. So what I want to do first is show you what your WordPress website looks like now that you installed WordPress. So what you can do is hover over your website name on the upper left and then just click on View Site. And once your WordPress website loads, this is what it should look like. So it should look pretty basic right now, and there shouldn't be much to it. And what we're going to do is go into our dashboard and download some tools and templates and really customize and make our WordPress website to look however we want. So if this is what you see, then we are good to go. And what I want to do is go back to our WordPress dashboard. So to do that, we're going to hover over our website name again, and you should see this pop up, and we just want to click on the dashboard link.